So friends, going one step beyond, JT just brings up a very good point. The whole reason you did this quiz, well, other than give you 10 points. That's what I wanted to give you 10 points, of course. But the reason it was motivated was because of the article I read about your Facebook friends have more friends than you. And I said, really? And actually, I went and found the original article at that point, and I saw the mathematical proof that was done to prove, it's called the friend paradox. It's kind of fun, the friend paradox. You prove it mathematically. I don't buy the mathematics on it in much the same way. Have you guys seen, there's a YouTube video going around right now that proves that if you add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 infinitely, you keep going forever and ever and ever. You know what that adds up to? Negative 1/12. There's a proof going around YouTube right now. It's causing all this stir about, you know, oh my God, how can that be true? Because Aaron's like, what the hell? If you go 1 plus 2, that's 3, which is bigger than that. And if you add more to it, it's going to get bigger. So how about it be negative 1/12? As it turns out, there's some very clever applications of infinite series that you can apply. Because this is an infinite, called an infinite series of numbers. It goes on forever. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, forever and ever and ever. Now logic says if you keep adding numbers, it's going to keep getting bigger. I think that's perfectly logical to think that, yes. But there's a really neat mathematical proof that's crazy. British little guy in England, he's very nice. He sits down, does very nice proof. He's very convincing. But he operates on a couple assumptions that are less than mathematically perfect. They're believably, statistically believable-ish if you kind of toy around with the idea of infinity. But when he starts toying with the idea of infinity, it's like when my son starts talking about infinity. Like, you know how much I love you, Max? I love you this much. Like, I love you, infinity. And I'm like, well, out of hell with it. I love you, infinity, too. Exactly, you know? Like, you don't want to argue with a 6-year-old. But that's kind of the logic this guy was using with this proof. Like, you can somehow tap infinity and stop it at some point. Like, you can't really do that. That's kind of the opposite of what infinity is. This Facebook proof that I've seen of your friends have more friends than you has a similar step in it that I don't buy. So I think it's one of those hand-waving kinds of mathematics. I call them poofs, not proofs. It's a thing called a poof mathematics. Poof, like a smoke cloud appears and all of a sudden, oh, look at the result. So regardless, that's why I wanted to check it with data. I like checking things with data when I can. But JT asked a question, a very good one. Did I disprove the friendship hypothesis? It looks like it's the opposite in my data, yes? It looks like I have more friends on average than my friends do. But did I disprove the Facebook hypothesis? Only for myself, not in general, correct? I'd have to do it with every person that has a Facebook account, essentially, to figure out if it holds for everybody, or at least a good-sized random sample. So I encourage you guys, collect your data, send it to me. Just give me the raw data, if you want, or just give me your synopses. Be a fun test question. How many of you guys have Facebook accounts? Oh, see, I can't make it an exam question, because not everybody has a Facebook account.
It's better to ask you to.
It might be. It might be. Look, I've heard Facebook is losing traction with younger people because their parents are starting to use it. Like mom and dad do. Oh God, back to Instagram. So I don't know. But if that's the answer to your question is I haven't disproven or supported or not supported anything except for myself. I have to get more data because all that beautiful study we just did was only on a sample size of 1. Yes, me. I would need more samples to see if it holds out. Even if we used all of you guys, that would only be biasedly sampling just a chunk right here. So it doesn't really tell us a whole lot about the Facebook population in general. Facebook has wonderful data sets that they make available to the public. Zuckerberg and his crew is really, really good about transparency of the data, which is good because he often falls under criticism for being too probing into personal lives. What I find hilarious is all of computer data mining does just that. I mean, if you're online, they've got information about you you didn't realize. How many of you guys have ever gotten one of those emails? Oh, your credit card information might have gotten hacked because you